There are many towel products available to choose from, each with different features, benefits, and prices. I have done extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best towels from reputable brands to help you make an informed decision. After a lot of research, I found these products to be the best for you. If you want to know about the price and other information, please remember to check my description. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Utopia Towels. Rating 4.3. The pack comprises of 6 pool gym bath towels, each measuring 24 by 48 inches. The bath towel set is weaved with top-quality 100% ring-spun cotton, making them chic and convenient. The towels are fabricated to offer a luxurious feel in daily household chores, at the gym, at the spa, at the pool, or simply placed in the guest bedroom. The texture of the towel is soft and delicate on the skin, while the composition enables it to be highly absorbent and durable. The fabric used in the manufacturing of the towel is organic, rendering it trustworthy and reliable for use. Number 4. American Soft Towels. Rating 4.4. Turkish luxury 6-piece towel set includes 2 bath towels of 27 x 54 inches, 2 hand towels of 16 x 28 inches, and 2 washcloths of 13 x 13 inches. The 100% cotton Turkish towel set is 600 GSM. These bathroom towels are soft, absorbent, thick, and quick drying enough for your body, hands, and face after shower. Tech Standard 100 certified and tested for harmful substances. Premium quality fluffy towels will make you feel and give you comfort, as if you are in a luxurious hotel, spa, gym, sauna, pool, etc. Due to variances in computer color management and monitor settings, the color displayed on the customer screen may differ from the actual product color. Number 3. Superior Cotton Towels. Rating 4.4. Crafted from a high-quality cotton terry loop, these towels are highly absorbent to get you dry. A solid towel with a rope-styled border and a marble effect design. The solid towel has a soft terry loop weave, and a marble design towel has fuzzy velour. The attached hanging loop allows you to easily hang your towel to dry. Available in a variety of vibrant colors including white, terracotta, teal, gray, cyan, brown, bronze, blue, and black, perfect for any modern, transitional, or contemporary master bath, powder room or guest bathroom. Ecotech certified. Number 2. Hammam Linen Towels. Rating 4.4. Our most absorbent, versatile towel. Great for those who enjoy a good self-care moment without overdoing it. 100% soft cotton ring for ultimate softness. The hotel quality towel is lightweight and durable, quick dry, and 100% cotton is resistant to wear while remaining soft. Luxurious white classic bath towels provide a luxurious bathroom design to enhance your bathing design. Soft, super absorbent, double-stitched edges on all edges for extended life, machine washable, easy to care and clean. Number 1. Semix Bath Towels. Rating 4.5. Semix towels are equipped with visible biological labels. The color change of the blue stripes on the label indicates the towel's usage status. Factors such as frequency, number of uses, and time can cause the color of the label to change. If the colors of the 2 stripes match, it means that the towel has exceeded its optimal lifespan, and it is recommended to replace it with a new towel. No fluorescent agent makes the towel color not bright, but it can reduce the damage to the skin. You can stay at the hotel, spa center, gym, sauna, swimming pool, etc. Ending here for today. Every day I will make different good product videos to help you. So subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the price of the product, see my description for any kind of problem. Please comment below. Stay updated with our great products as they will make your life easier and more beautiful.